Hello, welcome to this new video. Today we will see how we can configure shipping SMS notification by using the plugin Ultimate SMS Notification for WooCommerce. Once we have enabled, installed, and activated the plugin, we will go to the settings of the plugin. Into the setting of the plugin, we will look for this particular option, name, send a message from customer order details. We will enable the feature and save it. Once we save it, we will look for one particular customer order details. For example, I've opened here one customer order details. Here I have all the information related to the customer, his phone number, his email. But here, what matters for me is the phone numbers. So in order to send the shipping information to my customer, just because I've enabled here this feature, I will just have to put here the message the customer will receive. Here, by example, I can say, hello, sir. Hello, sir. Your order will be shipped by 12 July. Thank you for trusting us. Oops. Thank you for trusting us. By just writing this message and clicking the SM, the send, I will just send the message. Just because I've not configured yet the SMS gateway or WhatsApp gateway, I'm not able to send the message. Once the page reloads, I can have a tracks track record of all the message I've sent to a particular customer, even if it failed or if it is a success. For example, in my case, the message failed to send. Here's the delivery message status. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to put it into the comments.